So if you guys know me, you know I like Mini Coopers, and today is no exception. So we bought yet another 2007 Mini Cooper S. This has a few issues, and this should be a multi-part video series. Enjoy these two Mini Cooper seats. This is my new little lifestyle here. But so with the Mini Cooper, you have a blown head gasket, and the guy previously sold the AEM cold air intake system, so we need to buy one of those. But mostly we need to tear it down and get the head gasket, well, replaced. And the zip ties on these. So these are like they typically break, but they did a nice whole zip tie. It's like proper, you know. It's gone. No, it's gone. That's gone forever. It didn't hit the ground either. Perfect. You could probably do it from the wheel well. Oh man, I can't even get my arm in it like that. The thing is, I can't see. Oh my lord. Ugh. So it pivots too, so like you'll know if you have this because it'll pivot. It won't let you come up with it at all. How long is this thing? I think this thing's longer than me. So there's just one clip. Oh, sick. It's also not that bad. These little like slide pin things are like really nice because they're just rubber and it just slides right off. No clips. So you don't have to like overthink it or anything like that. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button down below. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next episode.